Hey everyone, I'm Chef Larry, and today we're going to show you some pointers on how to cut your steak against the grain. First, let's identify the grain. In order to do so, let's start with a raw piece of meat. As you can see, these striations on here run in this direction, so therefore when it's time to cut, we're going to take our knife across the grain, therefore cutting against the grain. Once cooked, place your steak on the cutting board so that the grain of the meat runs parallel with the length of the cutting board. This will make it a lot easier to make those perpendicular cuts. The reason why we cut against the grain because it makes a much more tender bite. In addition to cutting against the grain, we also cut at a bias. To make a bias cut, you take your knife from a 90-degree angle to a 45-degree angle. This gives you more surface area being cut, creating a much more tender bite. Ideally, we're looking for 1/4-inch slices. And as you're cutting, if you notice that the grain changes, adjust your meat and continue cutting against the grain. And there you have it. Now I hope you have a better understanding of how to cut your steak against the grain.